Hey, what's up? It's Matthew Durian here with Digital Freedom Network, your one-stop resource for the very best strategies on how to generate passive income streams online through the world of cryptocurrency. And in case you haven't heard, Binance is now paying double commissions to their affiliates, which is actually a really big deal. Unless you've been living under a rock for the last year, Binance is the fastest growing exchange for trading cryptocurrencies. People love using Binance because the trading fees are so low. Keep watching this video as my partner Mike talks more about how you can start earning 40% in affiliate commissions on Binance. There's a link below in the description to get your free Binance account today. And if you're interested in getting access to our crypto accelerator and commission system, there's also a link below in the description, so check it out. Here's Mike.
Hey guys, Mike Klingler here, and I just wanted to let you know, if you haven't heard, Binance is now paying twice as much on its affiliate commissions, paying in cryptocurrency. They pay in BNB, that's Binance's token, and it's quite impressive. I want to go over this with you. A lot of people, I was like this a long time ago when I first entered affiliate marketing many, many years ago before cryptocurrency. For those who don't know, I made millions, seven figures in affiliate marketing and was considered a super affiliate many years ago. Since moved on to many other things, but now kind of back to affiliate marketing now that we can generate cryptocurrency. I mean, it's mind-boggling because the cryptocurrency you generate now can be worth tenfold, 100-fold more just a year or two from now. So kind of exciting. But anyway, looking back many, many years ago, I used to not get excited about programs like this that it looked like you only made a little. Like right now you can see I've got 135 people that I referred to Binance. I have just getting this started. I just turned on a system like yesterday. And this just came from testing and playing around in previous just contacts that I had that I work with. So I haven't actually turned on our system that gets this really going. But it shows you that I got 323,443 satoshis, which is 0.0032 blah 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 Bitcoin. And I'm going to talk about why it's important to look at it in terms of Satoshis pretty soon, because that really connects to what I'm saying right now. And then I'll share with you how to make sure you get double the commissions if you're not aware of this, because some of you might just be getting the regular payment. There's a way quite easily. They set a low bar for being able to get double up on that. I'll come back to that. But my point is, you got to be careful about thinking that's a small amount. Like I think that translates into $30 or something like that right about now. And the old me, many, many years ago, would have just thought, oh, why would you want to bother with something like that? It's too little of money. But what I later came to realize that allowed me to move into, seven-figure income in affiliate marketing. And now when I'm applying to cryptocurrency with generating cryptocurrency commissions, I realized that just because it starts small doesn't mean it ends small. Like that's where it starts. In fact, I created a system in this Binance referral program as part of the system to generate affiliate commissions, just like I did years ago in your traditional affiliate marketing model with selling, services and products that offered affiliate commissions before crypto existed online. For those that don't know, like Amazon and all kinds of places offer affiliate commissions. And it can add up. It looks like a small amount at first, but if you have a system in place that generates leads, and I can set this up for you guys, like it can be quite remarkable. And in fact, I'm just getting, as I said, turning on my system. I expect this to get into the thousands, and I expect this to become quite significant. You can see here that they're showing their top affiliate earners. Here's someone probably named Jason, I don't know, 177 Bitcoin he got from this program. Here's someone that looks like maybe Mike, I don't know, 155 Bitcoin. Here's somebody else who has 115 in commissions in Bitcoin. Now, I don't ever expect to get anything close to that. They've probably been referring people here for a very long time. But I do expect to do quite well with this and many other programs that pay cryptocurrency affiliate commissions. And I do it through a system, through leverage. It's the same way I did it years ago in the traditional affiliate marketing model, and I'm doing it in the cryptocurrency affiliate model. I just turned on a system that's getting this started for me so I can really get this racking up. And this and other programs all in an automated way. But before we go into that, let's talk about Satoshis, because I referred to like that small amount of Bitcoin that I've gotten so far just before even getting this started as Satoshis, 323,000 Satoshis, instead of referring to it as 0.0032 Bitcoin. And the reason for that, and the reason why people refer to Bitcoin often in Satoshis, is because Bitcoin itself is valued so high. It takes very little Bitcoin to buy something. And I know that we haven't, the market hasn't evolved yet. It hasn't developed. We're still very early. It hasn't developed to the point where Bitcoin is used for a lot of transactions day to day. And it may be that another cryptocurrency will come in and actually be used for that. But it is looking like, we're moving more and more towards people using Bitcoin in smaller amounts to exchange value or to exchange Bitcoin. I know that we accept Bitcoin, for example, for services we offer, so breaking it down into a smaller amount makes sense. And Satoshis is a standard model for doing that. So, for example, one Satoshi is 0.00000001 Bitcoin. So instead of saying, hey, send me over 0.000, you could just say, hey, send me over a few, 3 Satoshis or whatever. Might be a little lower than what people are typically doing right now. But here's the point. Bitcoin may be valued at $1 million one day. I'm not saying it will, but it very well could be. And if so, one Satoshi will be worth quite a bit. And 100,000 Satoshis is 0.001. And that's why when you saw on the last screen I had gotten 0.0032 something Bitcoin, I said that's 323,000 Satoshi. 1 Bitcoin equals 100 million Satoshi. Again, it's good to think about it in this way, and I think a lot of people are missing the boat on opportunities because they're trying to get like a lot of Bitcoin. But you really want to set up mechanisms to get a lot of a little Bitcoin and to think of it as Satoshis. Like, I'm happy to have gotten 323,000 Satoshis from Binance. And I'm excited that they just announced that I can double up that. Let me go into their referral program, Binance's referral program, for those that aren't familiar. For those who are, I'm going to go into how you can make sure you get double up the referral commissions. And for those that are interested, I'm going to share with you just real briefly how you can plug into the system that I use to generate a cryptocurrency affiliate commissions, which is pretty remarkable. Before I do, though, I want to mention another little aspect to this. They're paying you in BNB, which is Binance's cryptocurrency. And you can see it's going up. Since last August when they launched. For those that don't know, Binance is an exchange, a very well-known exchange that people have come to trust to exchange cryptocurrencies, to do trading and so forth. They are rated, the Binance coin, which the symbol is BNB, is rated number 19 on Coin Market Cap with a value of 1.6 billion at this particular time, market cap of 1.6 billion. They're truly a brand to be paying attention to, and they are expanding way outside of just being an exchange. That's the important part to understand. So they're paying you in BNB, instead of you could just transfer that over to Bitcoin, but instead of that, you might want to hang on to the BNB because a lot of people believe this is going to be worth a fortune, just the BNB coin alone that they're paying you. Or you could turn it into Bitcoin if you wanted to. Something else I wanted to show you real quick. This is just my account again, showing you, again, I haven't turned my system on yet for me. It's just starting. So I expect the referrals to get into the thousands and this to become quite substantial. But again, I want to emphasize that even if you're racking up Satoshis, in this case, 323,000 Satoshis, from referring people into Binance or these other programs, and again, it doesn't have to be you doing it. Like, you set up a system like I literally could give you, and I'll talk about that in a minute, that automates a lot of this, so you're generating cryptocurrency commissions. When you set that up and you're getting Satoshis here and Satoshis there, and there's lots of other programs, to talk about that in a minute, it can really add up. And especially as it compounds over time. Check this out, like all these people in here, and this is going to get into the thousands of people, these are showing all the little BNB I'm getting for all the times that they do a trade on Binance. Kind of remarkable. Let's get into the program details for how you can double up the amount of BNB that you get, the amount of crypto commissions that you get from Binance now. So let's just read this real quick. If this is too small, I'm just going to read this to you. The commission you receive from the referral program will initially be set at a rate of 20%. So you get 20% commissions of the fee that they charge, which is small. So that's why, it takes, them, but people are trading all the time, so it adds up over time. And if you're using a system like me, you're getting more and more people kind of in this automated way, so it starts to compound. This is just like I did it in the olden days with the old affiliate model. But here's how you double it up. For accounts holding 500 BNB or more, this rate will increase to 40%. So again, if you have less than 500 BNB, then you get 20%. Not bad, and everyone can start there if you're just starting out in affiliate marketing. But if you do get 500 BNB or more, they're going to pay you 40% commissions. So I'm going to start getting double what I've been I wasn't holding 500 BNB, but I really like BNB. I've held it before, and I am going to go ahead and make sure I have 500 BNB. Now, for those of you that have been trading on Binance, I have another video about how you can turn, like, we call it dust, like the little tiny amounts of different cryptocurrencies that you might have left over that you can't really do much with because there's like $1 here and 50 cents worth there of these different cryptocurrencies. You can turn that into BNB like you can with a little click of your mouse. I'm not going to show you that here, but in another video I'll show you. You can look for that on this channel, how you can just in a couple clicks and it will turn your dust into BNB. If you've been trading on Binance, that will be very valuable to you to start getting some BNB. But hey, if you got to start out, if you don't have any BNB yet, start out with just getting 20% like I've been getting. Fantastic. Start there. You're getting paid in BNB, so you can work your way up to 500 BNB that way, and then you get double. Or you might want to go ahead and consider picking up some BNB because it is, look it up. It is a very exciting coin, and they are expanding into providing all kinds of services and possibly leading the way in many ways for the cryptocurrency market, which is why they're currently rated number 19 on Coin Market Cap with over $1 billion market value. Okay, so you can read these affiliate instructions in more detail. If you don't, if you already have a Binance account, go ahead and log in and scroll down to your affiliate area and read those in detail. But I basically gave you the skinny on it. But those of you who want to know more about the system that I set up that generates this in an automated way for me, and for those that use this system, and by the way, we have a free option for this, although there's a big line for getting in for the free option, and we build them as fast as we can. We have to put your affiliate links in here and stuff, so it's a manual process. But you can learn about all of this, and if you want to help support the system and make a lot of cryptocurrency commissions with a lot of different programs, not just Binance, but many of them, you can go through our system and very quickly figure out how it works. It's very simple. That's the point of it, and plug into this. I mean, it's one thing to be able to take your own money and buy cryptocurrency with it and wait for it to go up. Something completely different to have every day, every week, new cryptocurrency commissions being paid to you by companies like Binance, and there's many of them, and use that to keep building up your Bitcoin and altcoin portfolio. But under this video is a link to this page, and if you don't have an affiliate account with Binance already, here's a video that helps you get one, and you just click this button, you'd sign up with Binance, and then you'd click here and get your own affiliate link. But you're going to notice there's lots of companies that provide affiliate commissions, and this just easily gets you set up with how to get your own affiliate link for each of these reputable companies that pay cryptocurrency affiliate commissions. And we're going to keep adding to this all the time. Now, if you want to have a page like this, where we put in your affiliate links in a system like we do, and it's not just this page, but there's lead capture pages that you get, there's follow-up emails that I've written that educate people on all these kinds of things and all these different programs, and you want to use the system in an automated way and use my marketing. Like, you could literally use my videos to post on your YouTube channel and put the link to the marketing funnel that we give you, to the web pages we give you, and just have this automated way very easily to be generating leads and cryptocurrency commissions for yourself. If you're interested in that, look for a link below this video that plugs you into that. So there'll be two links underneath this video. One link takes you to this page where you can sign up with Binance. If you don't know, Binance, you want to get signed up with that and start using them as an exchange, and possibly you get your own affiliate link and be able to refer people to it, so you can start generating cryptocurrency commissions that way. And then there's a second link under this video as well that takes you to a lead capture page that is our system, and that's going to take you through how you can get a page like this built for you and a whole system that will help you generate cryptocurrency commissions. So look for those links below. Go ahead and just plug right into the system if you want to duplicate what we're doing to generate cryptocurrency commissions, not just with Binance, but with lots of different programs, reputable programs, and some of them pay extraordinarily well. All right, this has been Mike Klingler. Look forward to seeing you. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, because we send out lots of information through this channel to help you plug in to not just opportunities like Binance and Ledger and Trezor and the affiliate commission programs they have, but again, help support you with generating cryptocurrency commissions through automated means using intelligent marketing that I hand to you duplicating what I did many years ago in the traditional affiliate model, it definitely works. So subscribe to this video, check out the links below, and perhaps we'll be setting up a system for you too to generate cryptocurrency commissions that you can use to build your Bitcoin and altcoin portfolio.